Overcoming awkward silences during conversations can be a challenge, but there are ways to make it easier. The first step is to understand why these silences occur. Often, we hold back from saying things because we're afraid they won't sound interesting enough to a stranger. To fix this, try to practice speaking without filtering your thoughts. This will take some getting used to, but it can be a lot of fun. Just remember to be mindful of what you say so as not to offend anyone. Next, consider using the technique of threading in your conversations. This means branching off into different directions by asking questions or responding to what the other person is saying. This will keep the conversation flowing and give you more topics to talk about. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. According to the Pratfall effect, people are more likable when they're not perfect. So, embrace your imperfections and don't worry about appearing perfect all the time. By doing so, you'll appear more human and relatable, which will make it easier for people to like you and have deeper conversations with you. In conclusion, remove your filter, use threading, and embrace your imperfections. These tips will not only help you avoid awkward silences, but also make you more likable and easier to talk to. Just be yourself and have fun.